This video shows how to buy shares of Bonheur ASA on Euronext using the ticker BONHR.OL. Bonheur is a Norwegian investment group active in shipping, offshore services, and renewable energy. And this is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade shares, and I'll use eToro as the example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker BONHR.OL to find Bonheur ASA. Then select the listing that matches Bonheur ASA on Euronext to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Bonheur ASA. Verify the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker BONHR.OL before proceeding. To place a buy order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.